greatest changes begin from within. Empathy drives you to make a difference. Curiosity makes you question. Knowledge helps you find solutions. A school that has all these values at its core is HVB Global Academy, Mumbai. Situated in the city's prime location, this more than 50-year-old institution is one of the most prominent schools of the country and occupies a prime spot in the Great Place to Studies list of Great Indian Schools 2018-19, owing to its myriad merits.
HVB stands for humanity, versatility and brilliance. As far as philosophy is concerned, we strongly believe at HVB that there is only one religion for us, and that is humanity. Though we get 100% results year after year, we have produced Maharashtra toppers, but our main focus is on emotional quotient and happiness factor.
We have ensured that whatever facilities that is provided in the school adds up to the child's emotional quotient and happiness quotient. We have got a lot of extracurricular activities, sports, martial arts, music by Fertidos, dance by Shamak Dawa, robotics, yoga and many other things which actually makes the child so happy. You should see the little ones playing keyboard or going for robotics, playing with Lego and dancing. They're extremely happy.
So at HVB Global Academy, we have the Cambridge curriculum. We have it right from stages 1 to 9. So it is at the advanced level where we offer students the option of taking up the Cambridge the Cambridge A-levels, ASA level program or the IB diploma program. So the choice of boards gives them a flexibility. So the Cambridge program and the IB program both are skill-based curriculums. So it doesn't saturate the student with a lot of content, but also gives the student a pathway of applying the content.
So I was a student who decided to take subjects from all spheres. So I had psychology, I had literature, I had arts, I also had biology. And this kind of fluidity, I don't think so any other course offers.
Further to enhance and make the curriculum interactive and innovative and interesting. These 3 I's we achieve by roping in different topmost professional agencies because we believe in holistic development.
School has given tremendous amount of activities like yoga, and I'm just one of them, like karate. I teach karate to children right from the KG level to the 10th standard. We have found extremely good results not only at the school level but also at state level, national level and international level.
You tell me why my kids should not be here. And you see last 5 years performance of HVB, where HVB has reached. So this is an edge, and principal ma'am, she is working 24 hours. Every time she is thinking what next I should do.
One of our unique offerings is to the children is space. Here now our classrooms are designed according to the 5 elements: air, water, fire, earth, space.
Also we introduce different festivals. They know about the Indian festivals, but also we introduce international festivals like Lata Matino and other festivals which are there in the world. They feel very happy, they feel excited to come to school. They live a new adventure every time they come to HVB.
So So at HVB, we are trying to implement experiential learning through interactive classroom instruction.
For example, now I am teaching the concept of percentage changes. How that knowledge of percentage can be used by a student when he goes out of the classroom. Last time I was taking a class, so we had created a situation of a mall where a small stores the students had made, and they were offering discounts.
We try to introduce the technology that is required, the empathy that is required, the human touch that is required, and it's a gentle blend of all these things that makes the school a happy learning environment.
The vision of the HVB Global Academy is to make lifelong successful stories for our students who pass out from our school.
Several awards and an impressive alumni list stand witness to the success of HVB Global Academy's unique teaching philosophy. In the age of rat race and toxic stress, HVB Global Academy is setting an example by making education a happy journey.
I would like to invite each and every person to visit HVB and feel the experience.